Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel pvaishali's mathematics classes. My name is Vaishaliphulari. We are studying a chapter from the 10th standard CBSE board, quadratic equations. In that we have solved 4.1 and 4.2 exercises in the previous videos. In this exercise we are going to see what is the nature of the roots. First of all, what is meant by a root? Let's see it. Take a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If we want to get the root of this, in the previous video we have seen how to split the middle term and how to get the root of the x here. For the x, there will be two roots exist for any quadratic equations. If we are unable to split the middle term, then how can we get the root of any quadratic equation? Then with the help of the formula, we can get the root of any quadratic equation. Let's see what is that formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is a formula to find out the root of any quadratic equation. Sometimes we are unable to split the middle term. At that time we can use this formula and can get the root of that quadratic equation. Here b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. It is denoted with capital D. Discriminant. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. The nature of the root is depend on the discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means we will get the positive number. At that time we will get the distinct roots. Distinct means different roots. Distinct real roots. Means here discriminant is greater than 0. Next, this is the first case. In the second case, if b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then we can get the two equal real roots. Here we can get two equal real roots. In third case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means if we are getting the negative number, then there are no real roots exist. There won't be any roots or real roots does not exist for this condition. If we get the discriminant as any negative number at that time, in this way we can decide the nature of the root. Let's go for the exercise 4.3. First question is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. First of all, we have to check whether the roots are existing or not. After that, if roots are existing, we have to find them. Given quadratic equation, two x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. To get the nature of the root, first of all we have to find out the discriminant of this quadratic equation. What is the formula to calculate the discriminant? Just now we discussed about it. Discriminant D is equals to B square minus 4AC. First of all, we have to compare this quadratic equation with the standard form. What is our standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. From this, can we write a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to 5. Then the discriminant D is equals to b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula. Is equals to b square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into b is 5. Minus 3 whole square gives us positive 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 into 5 is the 40. 9 minus 40 means minus 31 we will get. Here we got the discriminant as the negative number. Means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If this is the condition, then what is the conclusion of this? Can you guess? Yes, you are absolutely correct. Roots are not existing for the given quadratic equation, right? Okay, let us write the conclusion here. Therefore, for the given quadratic equation, real roots are not existing. Second bit is, this is our given quadratic equation. Let us write it. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. It is in the standard form. If we compare with the ax square plus bx plus c, then what we get? A is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4 root 3 and c equals to 4. We have to find out the nature of the roots first. To calculate the nature of the roots, we have to find out the discriminant of this. What is the formula? Discriminant D is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is equals to b square means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 4. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 square is the 16 into root 3 whole square. Square and square root will get cancelled. 3 will be remain. Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 16 3s are, it is also 48. 48 minus 48 we are getting as a 0. If the discriminant is becoming the 0, which means that we are getting the equal real roots. As discriminant is equals to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, the nature of the root is two equal real roots. Equal real roots are existing for the quadratic equation What is our quadratic equation? 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Next, what is asked here? If the roots are existing, then find them. We have to find out the roots as well. How can we get the roots of this quadratic equation? With the help of the formula, we can get it. What is the formula? Roots x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula that we are going to use to get the roots of the quadratic equation. Here the discriminant is 0, so we can write the roots x is equals to minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. Why we need to write it 2 times? Because it is a quadratic equations. Here we have written 2 equal real roots are existing. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is the 0, means minus b plus 0 minus b minus 0. Likewise, we are getting minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Even though minus b plus 0 or minus b minus 0, which gives us the minus b only, still we are writing it as the minus b by 2a. Minus b, minus of minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into a means 3, comma minus of minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. Minus into minus will become plus 4 root 3 divided by, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, comma minus into minus will become plus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into root 3 into root 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. Here also root 3, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 1 of the root 3 will get cancelled. What is remain? In the numerator only 2, at the denominator only root 3. 2 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3. These are the roots. Therefore, roots are 2 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3. Let's take the third question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. Let us compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form so that we can get a is equals to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c equals to 3. Then get the discriminant. D equal to b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. Minus 6 whole square is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 12 is remain. As we got b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. We got the positive number, means which is greater than 0. Then what type of the roots are existing here? Roots are real and distinct. Therefore, roots are real and distinct roots. What is the meaning of distinct? Distinct means different roots. If the roots are existing, then what are they? We have to find. With the help of the formula, x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. X equal to minus b means minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. We found b square minus 4ac as the 12. Write down the 12 here. Divided by 2 into a means 2. Minus into minus will become plus. 6 plus or minus root of 12. This can be written as 3 into 4. Here we can write this as root 3 into root 4. Root 4 can be written as 2. The value of this is the 2 root 3. Means root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. Let us write here 2 root 3 divided by 2 into 2, that is the 4. Otherwise, we can take 2 common from it. 1, 2 will be cancelled. If we take 2 common, 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 3 plus root 3 by 2, comma 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. So in this way we completed the first question. Let us go for the second question now. The given quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. Then it is given that the roots are equal roots. Is given that 2 roots are equal roots, which means that is discriminant is equals to 0, means it is given. From this we can write b square minus 4ac equals to 0. If we compare this equation with the ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then a is equals to 2, b is equal to k and c equals to 3. Then put these values in above formula. b square means k square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 0. K square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 equals to 0. K square is equal to 24. Then k square is equals to 24. From this k is equal to plus or minus root of 24. This root of 24 can be written as plus or minus 4 into 6. This 4 can be written as 2 because root of a into b is equals to, we can write it as root a into root b. So that's why plus or minus this can be root 4 into root 6. Root 4 can be written as the 2 plus or minus 2 root 6. This is the value of the k. It is asked find the value of the k for each of the following quadratic equations. So a k is equals to plus or minus 2 root 6. Second bit is given as kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. It is not in the proper form of the ax square plus bx plus c. Let us write it into the ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 first. Kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. Now it is in the standard form. From this we can write a is equals to k. If we compare this with the standard form, then we will get a is equal to k, b is equals to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. It is given that roots are real and equal. From this we can write discriminant is equal to 0, which means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Substitute the values. B square means 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6 equals to 0. Minus 2k whole square plus 4k square minus 4 into 6 24k equals to 0. 4k square is equals to 24k. We can write here 1k get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. Then k is equals to 6. Therefore, we found the value of the k in this way. So, these are the questions from the exercise 4.3, 1 and 2. Remaining questions we will solve in the next video. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.